Is you can be earning money online in daily basis is social media marketing. With social media marketing, you can be able to earn money every blessed day online using your smartphone without even using your Android phone. So guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can earn money with social media marketing, how you can earn money by doing social media marketing or social media promotion. In this video today, I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required today to be able to earn money online using social media platforms. Not only Instagram or Facebook, you can be able to do social media marketing, all social media marketing like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all social media including YouTube. So guys, here without wasting any much time, let's get started with me. So guys, please, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding as I will be showing you step by step. So guys, the first thing we're going to be doing here, we have to open our browser. Recently I made a video on this particular topic, and again I found another way which is perfectly working on how you can be able to do social media marketing again and earn money. So guys, here we open our browser. Google Chrome is recommended today on this particular trick that I will be showing you. Though there are other browsers that you can be able to use. So, but I strongly recommend Google Chrome. Apart from Opera Mini, you can use Firefox, Kiwi browser, and the Firefox, and the Google Chrome. So guys, once it opens like this, the first thing you're going to be doing here, you have to go to your search bar. Here, I will drop the link here like this. I will drop the link. This is the website link. So guys, wait for it to open. Guys, as you can see, it is already opening. Sorry, I have network problem, so it has reload. Let me reload it again. So guys, as you can see, the name of the website is n1panel.com, n1panel.com. With this website, you can be able to do social media promotion, all social media promotion. So guys, here what we're going to be doing, guys, as you can see, these are some of the social media promotion you can be able to do: Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and then TikTok, and the rest of them. So the first thing we're gonna be doing, once it open like this, here you have to click on this sign up icon. This trick works worldwide. This trick works worldwide. So guys, here the once it open like this, here you have to insert your username, your Gmail, the password, and then you have to confirm the password. Then after then you have to click on this I am not a robot. Then you can click on sign up. So after your account successfully sign up, here it will take you to a place where you log in again. I've already signed up with this account, so I will just log in. So I'll just click here and I'll log in automatically, and guys, as you can see, it's loading. So guys, this is the interface of this particular site. But guys, please, before I show you properly on how to use this site and earn money, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, or if you haven't visited our channel and you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any amazing tricks every day on this channel. And to all our returning viewers, thank you. We do not take your love for granted. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for commenting. So guys, as you can see, this is the interface of this particular website. So here, the next thing we're going to be doing here, we have to click on this three dot by our right hand side. The first thing here, you can be able to see your balance. Here you can be able to add your services. Here you can be able to order for any social media, depending on what you want, maybe followers, likes, views, comments, shares, join. You can be able to order. So in order to get views or to get followers, or in order to start the marketing, here you have to click on this new order. You click on new order like this. So guys, as you can see, it has opened, and then you have to scroll down, and here we have some categories, and under category here you have to click on this promotion. So we click on promotion like this. So guys, as you can see, we have many social medias here. We have Instagram followers, we have Instagram likes, we have Instagram power likes, we have Instagram views. With this website, you can be able to get Instagram views. We have Instagram self story. We also have Instagram comment. You can get Instagram comment with this particular website. IGTV, Instagram Reels, Instagram Mention, Instagram Live. You can be able to get more people to view your live stream, whenever you are on live stream. So we have Instagram verified service. You can be able to verify your Instagram with this Instagram verified service. So it is a new service that has been added on this platform. We also have auto likes targeted, auto views, guys, as you can see. And we also have Telegram. On Telegram, you can be able to get targeted members, comment, views, vote, reactions, and the rest of them. And then we come back to YouTube. If you are a content creator, just like me, a YouTuber, you can be able to get subscribers on this particular site. You can be able to get subscribers, you can get views, you can get views again, you can get targeted views. For instance, what these targeted views means is, maybe you need a particular country, you need viewers from a particular country. This is what we call targeted, or YouTube views targeted. So if you need a particular views from a particular website, from a particular country, or from a particular region, you can be able to click on these YouTube views targeted. So we have YouTube views again, we have many of them. So we also have YouTube watch time. With this particular site, you can be able to give yourself 4,000 watch hours. You can be able to give yourself 4,000 watch hours. We have YouTube likes, dislikes, we have YouTube's likes guarantee, we have YouTube comment, we have YouTube social shares. With this social share, this particular site can be able to help you to share your YouTube videos across all social media. So guys, as you can see, we have many of them. Let's go back to Facebook. We have Facebook followers, friends group. You can also get Facebook page likes targeted, Facebook page video views. Guys, as you can see, we have likes, we have comments, we have emotions, and we also have TikTok. You can be able to get TikTok at a cheaper rate, TikTok followers at a cheaper rate with this particular site. TikTok followers, TikTok views, TikTok likes, TikTok shares and comment, and TikTok live stream. So guys, as you can see, we have many of them. And we also have Twitter, just like the way I said earlier. With this particular website, guys, you can be able to do any social media promotion or marketing with this particular website. There are other ways I will be showing you on this particular channel. There are other ways I will be showing you. All what you need to do, you just have to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you like this video and comment below if you want us to make more videos on this. Like, comment below, and subscribe. So guys, for instance, if you want to order for TikTok followers, for instance, if you want to order for TikTok followers, here we click on TikTok followers, and then we have services. Here you can be able to choose the services. So guys, as you can see, you can be able to choose any of these services depending on the kind of service you want. You can be able to choose. So for instance, I click on the first one, and then one of the important things you have to know is that you have to read their description. Please make sure you read their description. It's very important. In any order that you are making, make sure you read their description. So what you're going to be doing in order to buy TikTok followers, you have to insert the TikTok profile link here, and then after then the next thing you're going to be doing after you insert the profile link, then the quantity. For instance, if you need 1,000 or 100 followers, for instance 100 followers, here you can be able to see the amount. This is very cheap, guys. Just $0.09, $0.09. This is very cheap. You can be able to order for your followers, and after then you can click on submit. So guys, how do we find our account? How do we add money on this particular account? We have to click on this three dot again by our right hand side, and then you have to click on add funds. So guys, you click on add funds like this. So guys, it will be coming up like this. There are many ways you can be able to add funds on this particular site. There are many ways you can be able to add funds. So these are some of the payment method. So you click on this payment method like this. So guys, as you can see, we have this method. We have many method here. We have many method that you can be able to use to make your payment. So guys, as you can see, there are other manual payment method. So after you choose your payment method, you just have to insert the amount here. For instance, then you click on pay. So you wait for it to load, and guys, as you can see, it's already redirected. So I'm not going to make a payment, so I just have to leave it like this. So guys, with this website again, you can be able to track your orders, how your orders are going. Here you can be able to see your pending orders, the orders in progress, the completed orders, the partial orders, the processing order, and the cancelled orders. So you can be able to track your orders. So guys, this yeah, this is how you can be able to use this particular site. If you want me to make more videos on this, please just subscribe, like and comment below. And then if you found this video to be helpful to you, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends. Is very, very important. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.